Welcome to our channel. If you've just received your Charles Schwab debit card and wonder how to activate it quickly and securely, you're in the right place. Activating your Charles Schwab debit card is a straightforward process that gets you ready to use your card anywhere. First, when you receive your card, take a moment to inspect it for any damages and verify that all the information matches your details. Having your card and account information handy is helpful before beginning the activation process. To activate your card, you have several options. The quickest way is through the Charles Schwab mobile app or website. Log in to your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the debit card activation section, which is usually found under the Account Services or Card Management menu. Follow the prompts to enter your card number, expiration date, and the CVV code found on the back of your card. You may also be asked to verify your identity by confirming a security code sent to your email or phone. Alternatively, you can activate your debit card by calling the customer service number provided with your card. When you call, be ready to verify your personal information and card details. The automated system or representative will guide you through the activation steps. If you prefer in-person assistance, visiting a Charles Schwab branch is an option. A representative will help you activate your card on the spot. After completing the activation, it's a good idea to test your card with a small purchase or ATM withdrawal to ensure it works properly. Remember to sign the back of your card for added security and keep your PIN confidential at all times. These steps ensure your debit card is ready for everyday use and secure from unauthorized access. Don't forget to update any recurring payments or linked services with your new card information to avoid interruptions. Following these simple steps makes activating your Charles Schwab debit card easy and hassle-free. Enjoy the convenience and security your card offers once it's activated and ready for all your financial needs.